Hey, I'm Heffy Wheeler, owner of HX Hair and OSMO brand ambassador. So today I'm going to show you how to do Pantone Colour of the Year Living Coral on the beautiful Caris. So I've lightened Caris's hair today with OSMO Icon bleach and 6%. I've not toned it because the undertones of this colour are really warm, so I wanted to keep quite a golden blonde base. So as you can see, just all over a base 10. So to create this awesome colour today, I'm using 2 OSMO Colour Psycho shades, and I'm also working with the natural gold that her hair has lifted out with the bleach. So I'm using wild pink and wild orange, half and half. I'm literally living for living coral right now. Right, so I've applied this colour all over Caris's hair, and I'm just going to foam it all up and work it through. I'm also emulsifying it all in. This is where I get really messy. Foaming it all up. Cool. Rinse my conditioner off now, and already this is looking badass. This is so freaking bright, and it's only going to be brighter and lighter when we dry it. So I'm just going to take Caris back over to my section and crack on with the blow dry. So that concludes my look for Pantone Colour of the Year Living Coral using OSMO products. Spin you around. So you can see it's just the perfect combination of warmth with the gold undertones, the orange and the pink. Super cute. Thanks for watching.